What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am in my car on my way to the Banu vegan establishment. Hang with me, guys. Okay, you guys, we are here. It is starting to drizzle a little bit, so I'm gonna get on inside. Look, you guys, I'm sorry for ambiance. I feel like I can obviously show you better than I can tell you. All right, for ambiance, 5 stars. The jazz music playing in the background, the casual, clean setting, Caribbean sort of island vibe was great. The statue as you walk right in, I love that, and just felt like its own little world. So. Okay, the food gets 4 stars for me. So let me start with the good stuff. The Philly fake steak was absolutely exceptional, seasoned to perfection. The toppings were perfect. The chips with the sofrito was amazing. So that was absolutely incredible. The collard greens were kind of a no-go. I thought overall they weren't bad, but there was some sort of seasoning in there that was just a no for me. And similarly with the mango cake, it was also a no. I just didn't like it at all. For service, 5 stars on this one. The gentleman who worked at the register was really great with suggestions and tips, and then the man that worked in the back who was preparing the food was awesome. He gave my daughter a really cool compliment, so great service. 5 stars for affordability. As you see on the menu, the range in prices literally starts at about $3.50 and goes up to $9.75. I can pretty much rave about this place. It's just Flavor Village up in there. I'm gonna be a stan, and I'm gonna go back too often, but that's okay because we like to support small business.